Access to power is vital for human well-being. It is pivotal to the realization of socio-economic goals. A few decades ago, Ducab, UAE's manufacturing initiative, stepped in to make it more reliable and stable. Today, we run through cities, towns, residences, and industries. We are everywhere. We are Ducab.
As we scale our company to reach new heights, our priority is to empower all Ducab customers to have access to advanced technologies and systems. This is to enhance our agility and enable us to provide our partners with an outstanding service experience. Our goal is to make it as seamless as possible and provide a platform for the Ducab family to conduct business on worldwide. On that note, I am delighted to present to you a state-of-the-art digital experience that will support our vision.
Ducab developed a proud legacy over more than 4 decades, becoming one of the leading end-to-end cables, wires, and metal solutions provider in the world.
Ducab has grown globally, and the key to its success is primarily its customers who are basically established all across the globe. To achieve our growth, it was very important to get a 360-degree view of our entire interaction with our customers. Our channel partners are core to our business. They are basically our growth engine in the market. We have enabled interactive portal for them to basically attend to all their daily needs. Now we offer them highly transparent and connected customer experience. Thanks to Salesforce and Smaartt Digital for implementing this world-class solution for us. The solution has completely elevated our customers' overall experience and the way we conduct our daily business.
During the pandemic, we are extremely happy that Ducab enabled the digital platform and ensured that continuous services are given to the customers. Because of that, we were able to service our customers on time and never faced any disruptions. Thanks to Ducab and the leadership.
It was an amazing experience connecting with Ducab through their digital platform. This indeed saved time and efforts from our side in doing business with Ducab. Thanks to Ducab for their continued transformation in making channel partner engagements as a seamless experience.
Our digital vision was set based on deep understanding of our customers, internal ecosystems, and emerging technologies, various systems, multi-channel communication, and broken data sets were some of the challenges ahead. It was vital to select the right technology and the best partner and the right partner to release our vision. Choosing the best technology was a lot easier than choosing the implementation partner. Our partner selection criteria were rating, certified Salesforce consultant, availability of proven industry experience, and cross-enterprise application capability. Today, we are delighted to have chosen the right partner, Smaartt Digital.
Smaartt Digital has been collaborating with Ducab as trusted partner for digital transformation and converting Ducab's digital vision into a reality. Being a Salesforce Platinum partner, Smaartt Digital ensured the best-in-class project delivery. We focused on adoption and open house training to derive the best results and hyperfast ROI. Our partnership with Ducab for the joint digital vision was not a destination, but a continuous journey.
We involved the right people from our internal team for their participation to define people, process, and data. Our customer experience platform is not an accidental success, but it's an outcome of focused functional design and implementation approach, led by Ducab, driven by Salesforce, and steered by Smaartt Digital.
Ducab, Salesforce, Smaartt enabled digital customer experience by putting the customer at the center of everything we do.